Fairmount Park Elementary School is a special place where every child, teacher, and family is part of a close-knit community committed to growth, happiness, and success. We take pride in academic excellence. From hands-on learning to small group instruction, we ensure that every moment counts and every scholar is encouraged to grow a little more each day. At the heart of our school are our amazing teachers and staff who bring their passion, expertise, and love for education into every classroom. Our love for our students and our families inspires us to dream big every day. They are the driving force behind our welcoming and supportive environment, where students feel safe, cared for, and ready to excel. We are more than a school. We're a family. Whether it's through our partnerships with local organizations, events, or the simple act of cheering on a student who's made a breakthrough. We are proud of the relationships we've built with our families and the way we come together to make our school a warm and welcoming place for everyone. Every child is seen, every achievement is celebrated, and every day is an opportunity to grow at Fairmount Park Elementary School. We are proud of who we are and what we've accomplished and the incredible future we are building together. Join the Falcon family, visit our website, social media pages, or give us a call.